Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Zoom.us or Zoom.com. And Zoom.com is a web conferencing and webinar application. Its primary use is to allow individuals to communicate by voice and video as well as text and chat simultaneously. It's made to be used on both the desktop and mobile application. Individuals who host meetings use it in order to keep their participants engaged during online presentations. It's also used to share information and to provide assistance in real time. It integrates with a number of online platforms already used by people in their everyday lives and business, and expands its capabilities in even more applications using what's called the Zoom App Marketplace. Now in this course, we will look at the basics to both joining and hosting a meeting. And while the free plan is very popular, we'll also look at the lowest level of the Pro plan. We'll also look at a paid part of the plan utilizing webinars, which gives you marketing automation as well as monetization. So in the first video, we will start with a quick start guide to starting a meeting. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.